let us walk you through how to fix if people can't hear me on my iPhone. To troubleshoot issues with your phone app, start by opening the settings menu on your device. From there, scroll down until you find the app section, then locate and select the phone app specifically. Within this app, you'll notice several settings and options related to its functionality. Make sure that all of these are properly enabled and functioning as they should. Before making further adjustments, it's important to verify your network connection. Ensure that you are in an area with strong cellular coverage, as weak signal strength can often cause problems with calls or the phone app itself. Another simple step that can sometimes resolve minor glitches is to toggle airplane mode. Turn it on for a few seconds and then turn it off again. This action forces your phone to reconnect to nearby cellular towers and can often fix connectivity issues. If these steps do not resolve the problem, you may need to take a deeper approach. Go back to Settings, then General, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset. Among the available reset options, choose Reset All Settings. This will restore all system settings to their default state without deleting your personal data such as photos or apps. After performing this reset, your phone app should work correctly, resolving most underlying issues.